TheSmartLocal.com.
Hi guys!
Hello!
How good was your science in secondary school?
Damn bad.
I thought it's supposed to be a nerd. Why is your science bad?
I'm sorry. My science was below average.
Pure physics.
I also. You thought I combined. Lemao.
I'm pure chem.
I also pure chem.
Oh,
I got B3
for both.
for both.
Same. We're like trying to compare who's smarter, but the same.
Wow, science is which subject? Secondary school got science, man.
It's my worst subject.
My chem was not bad last time.
It's the worst. What is your favorite science topic?
My favorite science is biology. In terms of the topics, I can't really recall, but I think I kind of enjoyed when we learned about like the human body, the human anatomy and stuff.
Okay, I don't like physics. I love chemistry. I actually failed at chemistry at first because I didn't understand what the hell was it. But then when I understood it, I was just like, ooh. Then
She like bio practical.
Yeah.
Secondary school level
the
joke,
practical
please
lesson. Actually, I only like those, right? Because I like to see how awkward the teacher need to teach. But then they always try to keep a straight face. Then they're like, guys, this is science, huh?
I've
This
never
is
done bio
reproductive system.
in my life.
Okay, so on this episode of Singaporeans Try, you'll be trying O-level physics questions.
yay, nightmare.
Wow, my brain a bit rot since then.
I think I do quite good.
You do quite
I
well.
think my physics quite nice.
Wait,
Quite
is
nice.
it-
I think my physics quite good.
Your physics? Oh.
My physics.
Okay, so upon 5, can you rate like how well you think you will do?
If you say X, I will be X plus 1. I think I slightly better.
We will see! We will see!
On 5 0.
I would like to think I'm a 3.
I think a respectable 3.5.
I think I will fail. 2.
Okay lah, this
I
question.
think I know.
Okay lah, this one is every day. It always happens in the studio.
Yeah. I know which
Our
share.
chair all spoiled already.
Firstly, how did you get up there?
Yeah, it's so short.
It's physically impossible.
I think that's the real question.
Oh! There's no steps, no nothing.
And there's no parents to like prop him up.
Supervise.
Okay, answer is unrealistic.
B and C is like
Quite stable, right? So close to the floor.
A and B is the contender, right? So what is the difference between A and B?
The chair leg, one narrow, one wide.
So yeah lah, which one more stable? 就是咯。
You ready? Least stable.
A.
就是咯。
Oh!
Least.
I still repeated the question for you. Least stable.
No, this is why you should read the paper properly.
B looks like how Bolin was there on the MRT, and C looks like how Seal was there on the MRT.
Hey, but this one is O-level question.
Huh. Like easy.
Yeah.
What does moments mean?
Moments. You hang out with people, and then those
Oh.
moments are
So the rocks are like, which moment are
those
they?
great moments in your life.
They
you know?
seem happy. Oh my god, that makes a happy face.
Oh yeah, the right one is happy. It's a happy face.
Then the other one is the sad one.
What's moments about the pivot?
Okay, moment about the pivot is moment must be equilibrium. Weight must be equilibrium. So what can happen regardless of this?
Huh? What do you mean? There's a moment. I don't understand.
What's heavier, a kilogram of steel or a kilogram of feathers?
What's heavier, a kilogram of steel or a kilogram of feathers?
They both weigh the same.
Even though
Kilogram
the feathers like
Take up more space.
Take up more volume.
Yeah,
Like steel.
a kilogram of steel.
Kilogram. Again.
A kilogram of steel.
Ah.
Okay, so for example, right, me and him we weigh the same, but our volume is not the same.
Some ice cubes.
Hey, come on, man.
Okay. Some
Ice.
ice.
Come on, man.
Yeah.
Some ice
cubes.
So it's either A, B, C, or D lah.
But for the first time, right, in literature, right, I'm confident.
Okay lah, you're damn smart lah.
No, but I think none of it is it. Did you see the graph?
Hey, there's a flaw in the question, eh?
I think you all are reading the graph.
Oh.
One is temperature, one is time, Okay, no. Okay, then if that's the case, then I think I know already. Because wait, I don't understand.
Change your state, got temperature change. Or? Think about it.
Have.
Have ah?
Don't have.
Why you quiet?
You write already or not?
Wait, I write, but wait.
Wow, later I'm too confident, right? Then wrong.
It's like I know the
Correct.
I know the layman explanation, but I don't know the science.
Yeah.
C.
C.
Eat your C upside down.
No, I write C, then I write D, then I write C, then I like.
You know why it's not D?
Why?
Because freezer temperature is lower than 0 degrees Celsius.
So far, a lot of the answers are C.
Maybe you should draw a vector diagram.
What vector diagram?
What is resultant
right,
force? Wait,
So you must overcome these 6 newtons first,
Yeah. So
and also plus 3 to that.
yeah. So that means the resulting should be
6
9
plus 3
newtons.
equals to.
Correct.
it's quite simple, right?
Sorry, my math's not good, right?
Wait, like, okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
C.
C.
This is a math question.
It's C
Oi.
again.
Let's learn the letter C.
C is for cheers. C is for correct.
You want 3 there, right? So you just get 11 minus 2 lah. So that's the amount of force you need to push to the left. What?
I put my head down for.
There's a saying, opposites attract. Not only for magnet, for people, for personality. So it's
The magnetic field move in one direction.
Huh.
So you see A and B, which one is one direction, which one is
It's
not
one
one
direction,
direction. Yes.
One direction.
North to
Okay.
south.
Then what's A?
A is just
Rubbish.
rubbish.
She's like, let me trick you.
You know MRT?
Uh-huh.
Then the door close.
Uh-huh.
Then the people go in, then they like, then they come out.
But what's the difference between A and B? They look the same.
No, you see the line. The bottom line is attracting, the top line is
Oh.
repelling. Where got make sense? Think what?
Oh,
We
yeah,
got
yeah,
primary
yeah,
school, is it? So stupid.
No,
Away
but as
from
in-
north and towards south. Always one direction.
Oh, cannot be like that.
Cannot be suddenly south to north.
That means I think the answer is it A?
I'm gonna draw a magnet first, then I give you
Oh my
idea.
god, this wrong.
Magnetic field will be like that, correct? But the direction is always north to south,
Okay, okay.
right? So which one?
Hey, you're wrong.
It's not. Which one is not north to south?
3, 2, 1.
B.
B.
Yes,
Very-
both of you are correct. Adrian, can explain why is it?
So Mr. Lim has taught me that the
Magnetic field.
pattern This is a plain normal mirror.
Where is the image of the pin? Pin. Where is the image of the pin?
Oh, D is an option lah, mangkuk. So it's A, B, C, D. I thought D is like a point that they fix it. So
Oh.
we have to choose from A, B, C, D.
Oh, right.
Oh no, so
Confusing
unclear
sia, this
the
diagram.
question.
I put a thing here, right? I put my phone here, right? Then it will be there. C.
So you look at yourself in the mirror. Why?
Because it reflects
Yes.
and fracts.
I think it's behind, right? It's because you still have to. The mirror still accounts for this distance.
Oh, but the mirror is long all the way lah.
Oh, but the mirror is long all the way lah.
The mirror doesn't end where the shaded area end.
Yeah. No, but actually it doesn't
Okay,
matter
okay.
even where the shaded area ends.
I feel like I use logic in this.
It's true. I mean, you
just think
can
about it,
visualize,
just look at a mirror, okay,
today.
this is somewhat reflective. Then, like that,
Yes.
I don't need physics also.
This one is true.
3, 2, 1.
C.
C.
Both of you are correct.
So you know when you look in the mirror, right, then you can see like, you know those mirror kind.
Mm.
Then in the lift, then you alone. Then you can see like so many of you.
It is so
right?
scary.
Kind.
Yes, say that.
Oh,
Got this
okay.
question. Huh? There's a question like this. We learned this.
So light.
White light
consists
is
of
from the start.
7 colors. What?
Correct.
right? So when it goes
7
through a
main colours.
prism,
Correct.
somehow it gets split up into all the different individual colors,
Yes.
and then you look like a consistent rainbow.
Yeah, something like rainbow lah.
Last time my Swedish teacher teach me Roy G. Beef, and they also teach me an easier way to remember. Richard of York gained battle in Venice.
Then actually this question, right, is it a bit like a trick question?
No, it's not.
No, as in like, you will choose infrared.
Absolutely not.
Anna? As it, huh?
So, what? Girl?
No,
Girl, what you saying, girl?
No.
What's the rainbow format?
I'm not gonna tell you.
Red, or is it blue, green, yellow,
What kind of song is that? I mean, what school you go to? I don't know.
orange, red, pink?
This thing I learned in design school.
Carry on.
Like no, so like got 3 primary colors, right? That means the in betweens, right, are just like the combination. So for example,
Orange, that kind of thing.
so no, oh wait, I was gonna write red, yellow, but yes, it's orange.
You went to which design school again?
3, 2, 1.
Say the answer!
Bring it.
Correct.
C.
C.
Okay, yes.
C.
Do you not remember the colors of the rainbow?
That's why I write. So yours is mental sums, mine is working.
No.
Sometimes, right, you get more marks for working because they know what you're thinking of.
It's MCQ. You color the circle. They can't see you're working.
How do y'all feel about your results?
Wow, disappointed in myself, eh.
I think it
I'm
was fun.
disappointed. I'm disappointed.
I realized that it's O-level subjects lah, so it's what 16-year-olds are doing. So not a very big accomplishment.
Okay, so which question was the hardest to answer?
For me, right, I think all the questions were okay lah. It's just that like I cannot remember the definitions.
I think the hardest question for me was how did the boy get onto the chair?
I scraped my answer. That is the hardest.
I think everything is okay. It's all about the English. You have to read the questions, man.
Yeah, read it
Really have to read
properly, yeah. Don't be like a Rianna.
Overconfident.
Release.
No, overconfident until like just never mind. Can.
How has your understanding in physics changed from the start of the episode?
It was really damn long ago since we actually took physics or touched anything related to it. So when we managed to answer the questions and still have like basic generic knowledge about some concepts and terms, it's quite a nice feeling lah.
I must say some of them are common sense because if you think about it in real life, even at the playground, then
Yeah.
there's like seesaw, all that, right?
Correct,
So I
correct.
think sometimes if you use a bit of logic, I think you can.
Physics is not something that you should memorize to understand. So like for those who are taking O-levels, like understand the theory behind physics. Don't just memorize and then like think that you can memorize your way through. Yeah, it's not gonna work lah. Thank you for watching this episode of Singaporeans Try. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
And if you want to watch us answer more science questions, click over there.
Bye!
Biology, chemistry, physics. Actually, that's all right. That's all the senses.